Greetings and welcome back to a brand new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel. Today, obviously, we have Velociraptors, and we're gonna unbox this new Legacy Collection Velociraptor Containment Chaos Pack. So it comes with 3 humans, 1 Velociraptor, and a cage, and a couple of guns, and I'm not sure what that is. It has a flashlight, some radios, and kneecaps. That's kind of odd to put kneecaps here. But let's check the box first. There you go. Okay, we got Robert Muldoon again. He looks kind of different here. It says the Velociraptor's eyes will glow here. Right there. It glows in the dark, so we'll check it out later if it really does glow. There you go. There's the contents in it. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, first of all, we're gonna compare it to a Dominion. This one came with a truck. This is like the first batch last year, I think. It came with a crash truck. And we have a Dino Tracker Velociraptor now. This is kind of new. New paint job. And then we have the original Jurassic World. Back in 2018. This one has red eyes. It almost looks similar as the new one. Look at that. It's just the eye, I think. Oh yeah, okay. There's a little difference, but almost the same. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's move this guys aside. Okay. Wow, they really glued this well. Oh my goodness, why would they? Oh, what? Hang on. Okay. This packaging is ridiculous. Okay. There's the manual. Oh wow, there's the cage. So here you go. Alright. So here's our stuff, here's our goodies. Let's take out the cage. Okay, we got the dinosaur out. Let's check it out if the eyes glows. Can you?
Better. Oh.
Okay.
I was shocked.
Alright, so it glowed a little bit. It needs to be totally dark. So here's our Velociraptors. We'll compare it to a Dino Tracker. This is a new one, the Legacy Collection for this year. Because there's so many Legacy Collection Velociraptors now. We didn't scan this yet. Let's compare to the back in 2018. Okay. Ooh. There you go. Now for the Dominion. Let me see. Okay. Now let's check the humans. Let's check the humans. Let's take them out. Alright. So everything's all taped up there. They're too small. Let's not just leave it there for now. We have their vests. Let's take up this guy. Oh gosh. Okay. How do you put this on? Oh wow, I see. So tiny. Okay, let's check it out. So there you go. That's what he'll look like. You put the, I guess, an armor vest or protective vest. Okay. He doesn't look very happy. Now we're going to take Robert Muldoon out. He looks so different from his Hammond Collection counterpart. I wish we brought that up, but didn't thought about that. His face looks really sloppy here. Compared to Hammond Collection. Looks way better. Okay. Now let's take the cage out. Wow. It's kinda... That seems a lot. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, I don't know where to begin. Let's see. Start this. Alright, so here's the manual. Let's check it out. Alright, let's build it. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, we got the back. All right, so there we go. There we have it. So it will look like this with the Velociraptor. It'll come out like that. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, guys. Also, the next video we will probably do a custom hybrid because it's been a while. So yeah, let's do a custom hybrid before doing a Beast of the Mesozoic again. Alright guys, thanks again for the support. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.